flash looks weird. I'm going to turn that up. Get it. You got a little white nose. Yes, you do. Whoops. Yes, you do. You got a little white nose. You got a little white nose.
What? Come on. No. Come on. I know. Come here. Come on.
You want to put some catnip down for her?
Sure.
There's some right there. I don't think it's even been opened yet.
Where's right there?
Right there in the basket with all the stuff.
Oh.
Look at how he is in this corner. Justin. Oh, that's so cute. Get a photo. Get a photo. It's going to be so much easier.